Alright, people, here we are. We back out before and stuff. We picked up, I'm just calling him Sergeant at Arms.
Sergeant Arms?
Sergeant Arms.
Brother Mel.
Right, yeah.
Mel.
Over here. Yeah, we got him. So,
yeah.
You know, we're about to make a couple more stops. Then we're going to Hooters, right? For Hooters for lunch.
Yeah.
For lunch.
Yeah.
Hooters. Yeah, so we're going to Hooters here in Field. I mean, if y'all want to come out and join us at Hooters, you know, y'all come on out and join us at Hooters.
Right.
You know, I'll buy you one wing. You know, if you come on out at 2 o'clock, I'll buy you 8 wings.
Yeah.
I got a coupon for 30 of them.
Right.
So yeah, you get a wing apiece.
I'll buy the other 2.
The other 2 wings?
I get you 2 more wings.
That'll work. We got this.
2 wings.
No, not 32.
No.
30.
His
30.
math is out. You took
30.
algebra.
Oh, okay. Well,
You took math and money. We talking about algebra.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah.
I missed
That's
that.
three wings total.
He went to that slow school.
Which
Yeah.
Is my helmet in the trunk?
got to be.
I gotta
In the
get
trunk.
I need my helmet.
Okay. Anyway, people.
Fab 9.
Fab 9. What we doing?
We on the road rocking it.
We're
Rocking this.
Already, baby. I'll at you.